Good morning, guys. Thank God it's Friday. For my face mask today, I'll be using cocoa powder, honey. And guess what? Today I got to use cinnamon. I only need because of the antioxidant in cocoa powder and honey. It is very, very good for skin lightening, for skin discoloration, and some other things, So today I'll be using 1 teaspoon of the cocoa powder. I have my little medication cup here, which I do use once in a while, Then cinnamon. I want just, like say, half spoon of this, or just a pinch of it, Shouldn't be that too much. Cinnamon. I'm gonna mix it together before adding my honey. Then I'm gonna be using 1 teaspoon of honey. There we have it. Then make a paste with this, and you're ready to go. It is advisable to use this at least twice a week, twice a week, to get the best result. And remember, in beauty, when you're trying to do anything to your skin, maybe lighten your skin, whiten your skin, get rid of wrinkles, pimple, breakout, or whatever it is you're trying to achieve with your skin. Remember that consistency is the key. You have to be consistent in doing whatever it is you're doing. Don't expect to get a result in 1 minute. You have to be consistent with it for you to start seeing the result. Now it's in a paste, as you can see. Still gonna mix it some more because I can see some powder down there, but generally it's in a paste. And this, I'm going to apply this to my face and leave it for like 20 to 30 minutes before washing it out. There's a lot of things you can mix with cocoa, like I always say, if you need me to show you anything, just send me email, message me, and give me some time to do the research. Now, we'll apply. This will sticky, or it's okay, that's because of the honey. Like I always say, if you don't like being messy, you can do all this. Just apply it like so. And be gentle while applying. This is very, very sticky. Don't force it. If you've been watching my video on YouTube, when I'm doing this, I always like to apply it to my neck too, because I don't want one section to be dark and the other section to be light. So I always apply this to my ear and to my neck. Whatever I'm applying, I always apply it to my neck and my ear. You can modify this by adding milk. You can add lemon juice, you know, depending on what results you're looking for, you know. Doesn't look pretty right now, but once you keep doing this, you see your face will be glowing. You won't need makeup, especially when you're going to parties, you know, because we like to party. Find out you don't really need makeup that much because you already have a glowing skin. So just apply it like so, then leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and wash. So I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of this. Have a good weekend. It's Friday. See you next time. Bye.